Hello and welcome to Beach Lodge in Strand Line in the heart of Kilkee. And it's easy to see why this home got its name. What an amazing view this fantastic home boasts in this popular and very much sought after seaside resort. The home is within walking distance of all of the amenities, easy access to the cliff walk over here at the other side of the bay. But look at that amazing access onto the golden strands. Not often does a home come for sale in this location, and as we go through this tour, it's easy to see why this is one of those very rare gems to come to the open market. So let's take a look at the inside of this fantastic beachfront home. So before we take the internal tour, we'll just show you the front patio, nicely walled in with its gate. And once again, you can see the proximity to your beach and your amazing walks, and of course all of the amenities that Kilkee has to offer. This home has been meticulously refurbished and maintained by its current owners, and this is evident from the moment you set foot inside that front door. Your quality tile flooring, which runs right the way through into the kitchen dining. You have your solid wood surround feature fireplace, and that's, as I say, it's a solid fuel fire, so you could insert a stove there if you wanted to do so. You have your wall mounted lighting, and you have plenty of space for your dining area, even though the kitchen could very comfortably take breakfast seating as well. But this is a very, very nice welcoming space, open plan to make full enjoyment of your seaside family living. And of course, from here you have your stairs up into the first floor. As we walk through this main reception, you can see there's plenty of nooks and crannies for additional storage if you wanted it, or even enclose some of this under the stairs for press units and so on. And so I'm hoping the video is showing you the full appreciation as to how this property is maintained and finished. Into the kitchen, again, very high standard with your fan assisted double oven here, your ceramic hob with your extractor hood and fan, nicely tiled splashback. And as I turn the camera around, you can see the other half of the kitchen. So absolutely no shortage whatsoever of built-in units. Again, you've nice under counter space here. I'm hoping you're getting the depth between the counter and the tile to show that you have breakfast seating in here as well. So overall, a very, very nice space and so well finished, making this a real turnkey product, making it nice and easy to start enjoying. Once upon a time, we used to call all these homes along the coastline holiday homes, but certainly with the way living has gone, people are starting to enjoy their beachside houses all year around. There's sometimes just as much to enjoy in the winter as they are in the summer, and indeed other seasons. So out the back, you have a nice courtyard. This is perfect for and you'll see it's used for the bins and simple outside furnishings like for your coal and timber. You've your, again, nice tiling here. You can see the outside water supply and the drain going here. So this is perfect for your wetsuits. And if you wanted to come in from the beach and you wanted to shower, you could put an outdoor shower here, but perfect for hanging your wet gear and climbing gear or walking gear, whatever it is that you've enjoyed during your time in Kilkee and the Wild Atlantic Way and Clare coastline. Here we have the utility, and again, very nicely integrated washing machine and dryer with your wash hand basin and toilet there as well. Again, great if you're across the road at the beach and you need to use facilities. You don't have to be traipsing up around the house. It's all here on the ground floor and out into the yard. So coming in from the back door, and again, just to walk through the flow, as I say, your kitchen, both sides. And you have that good quality tiling again on the floor. You have your recessed ceiling lighting. And as I say, nice and modern, very, very well presented. And that flows really, really nicely into this main reception. So you've really nice ground floor space. Lovely traditional features, fireplaces, nice solid wood surround, all these little indentations as well for just create that bit of character. So let's head up to the first floor and take a peek. So arriving on the first floor landing, you've good quality carpets throughout up here. Very simple layout. You have double room here to the back, configured as a twin room, and this has very modern and very nicely done built-in wardrobes with your drawer units underneath, mirrored door overhead, and this has ample hanging rails and additional overhead and base storage as well. Coming back around, again, I'm hoping that you get a nice feel for how the house flows. Here you have door into linen cupboard, and then you have a door here into the first floor bathroom, and again, very nicely done. Sorry if the fan is interfering with the sound on the video presentation, but again, nicely tiled ceiling to floor and perfect for what you'd need it for. You have a stairs here then before we go into that master bedroom. You have your stairs up into what we can only class as an attic storage room, but you'll see what the current owners have done with this, and as they say, what you do to the house when you come into it is your own business. But into this absolutely amazing first floor master bedroom, and really this is part of what all this is about. Passing out your wardrobes here. I'm teasing you now because I'm showing you everything but the view, but I better get there because this is simply stunning, and the owners have done it so well with the rocking chairs here. But look at this, and what a place to enjoy all year round. Sun, rain, snow, wind, hail, whatever it is, when the seasons change, your view changes, and that is all part of coastal living, and particularly along the amazing Wild Atlantic Way. So what a view from your first floor bedroom. Nothing to stop you looking at changing windows or whatever else you want to do to maximize the view, but it is absolutely amazing, and it is, I can assure you, way better in reality. So as we swing the camera around, you can really see the nice, bright and spacious room that this is, and how very, very well maintained and presented it is. Again, your nice wall mounted lighting. And before I head up into the attic, like everything, you're drawn to this view, and I just have to show it off again. So you walk out your front door, jump over the wall across the way, you will be on the beach, I can comfortably say, in 10 seconds from your house door. So we'll take a look at the, again, as I say, I can only class this as the attic storage, but the current owners have very smartly configured this and made full use of it. Again, look, as I'm passing out built-in wardrobes everywhere. You've built-in units here, you've more into the eaves here, but into the attic space is what these owners have done here. Very, very smart. Open plan to below. And off of this is an ensuite. And again, as I say, what you make of this when you move in is your own business, but this can only be classed for the purposes of sale as a storage room / attic loft. So we'll pop back down the stairs and round off the video. If you would like further information on this beachfront home, please feel free to call us on 065 684 0200 or email us info@dngosullivanhurley.com. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you will get to enjoy this amazing view all year round in the very near future. Thank you very much.